Hey, seriously, it's 3 a.m. My mind says nothing better to do than gaps and cracks. So let's do it. Here we go. Set up. I always use some cardboard to protect my table because if you've used gaps and cracks, then you know that its beauty is its beast. So it is permanent. It will not be removed. Shake it up for about a minute. I like to use gloves to protect my hands and manicure. And here we are, we're prepping some plant stands that I'll be using to make some centerpieces and then some candlesticks, because you know that's my jam. And they've been having them on sale at the Hobby Lobby, but also Dollar General. It's one of my favorite places. And then these cool, cute bowls from the Dollar Tree. They're like my favorite to do small floral arrangements in. So it takes about 24 hours to cure and it expands about twice its size. And here's what it looks like after. They make things like this. So if you like how something from a can that's supposed to protect your doors and your windows turns into beauties like this, well, I show it on my page and I teach it inside the Candy Crew Design School. I would love to have you join our creative and business community to help you along your journey. It was where I started when I started mine. So hope you enjoy this and that you enjoy not only the tips and tricks, but the time we spend together, because I so appreciate you, and also these designs. So thanks, and follow me for more.